you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you've never been, but all the things that you've seen will slowly fade away. So I start a revolution from my bed, 'cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, summertime's in bloom. I stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. I heard you say. Take me to the place where you go, where nobody knows if it's not ordained. But please don't put your life in the hands of a rock and roll band. We'll throw it all away. I'm gonna start a revolution from my bed, 'cause you said the brains I had went to.
Some projects need very few words, so I'm not going to say a lot about this. The bike's a Privateer 161, and this is a Manchester honeybee theme. We've used a cartoonised honey, moving it around the bike. We've also added a honeycomb, which the honey sits on top of and is dripping away from, hence the little drips there coming off the top tube. There is a little honey trail leading across the top of the bike, following from the bee, as you can see here. Also the MCR heart that you saw at the beginning of the video. It did take a good while to get the ideas in place, and I found this is very much a less is more bike. And of course, don't look back in anger under the down tube. I hope you like this one, because it's got a very special place in my heart.
So Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. I heard you say.
Big thanks to Pedal Power Marple for getting us involved with this project, and it's an absolute banger.